Hi guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. We just finished our Stealth PPF screen protector on the TRX, and wanted to finish up and do one quick addition, which is the cup holder PPF. I'm not sure if all of them, what that surface is like, and this one has that carbon fiber trim. First thing I did when I got in this is I put my phone on it. I was like, you know what, that's gonna suck if I scratch that. So we just got a quick template for that, and again, just a little bit of insurance that you don't get that piece scratched up. I know that is part of the cup holder. I'm sure you're gonna have a cup in there, but again, it's just a small piece. If you want to do it, we're gonna do it, and we're gonna show you how to do it. So real quick, just like everything else with our PPF, we're gonna use a 6 to 8 drops soap with the rest of that in a 32-ounce bottle of water. Again, we've already got everything on here done. I'm not that worried about this getting too wet, so we're gonna go ahead and soak that down a little bit with that soap water mix. Peel this back. You're gonna get a little squeegee, which I'll show you here in just a second. Use that fingernail. Make sure your fingers are clean when you do this, because you are gonna get, there we go. And let's lay that on there real quick. You really just wanna slide that into position where you want it. And again, this is a really good fitting template. We're gonna spray some water on the top of that. And there's that little squeegee. I just start working that out. You know, when you push down on this, it's gonna want to open back up. So make sure you're holding that down with one finger. And then we want to get the rest of that water out. So once we get this on there, we're going to use that towel, kind of wipe the rest of that down. There we go. Got that back down again. Let's dry some of the stuff, make sure we can see it, where we got it in that right spot. All right. Little bit of a water spot in there, and again, just use that hard edge of that squeegee to make sure all that's out. Perfect. All right, that's it. I'll get some pictures of this to show you guys how that looks. Visually, it should look no different from what you have on that matte carbon. But again, now you're gonna have a little bit of insurance on that you don't drop your keys on there and scratch that up, or again, a wife's purse, whatever it may be. All right, guys, thanks a lot. If you guys have any questions, just give us a shout, call, email, leave a comment. Be sure and like and subscribe. Thank you.